So how do we do this with other decimals? Once we know how to state the number, we can make the conversion. Let's look at these 3 decimals. How would we talk about these numbers? Well, I'd say 3 tenths, 19 hundredths, and 211 thousandths. The number written in purple becomes the numerator, and the word written in green becomes the denominator, tenths. This becomes 19 hundredths, and this becomes 211 thousandths. So what is the equivalent fraction of 81 hundredths? Write your answer here with the numerator up on the top and the denominator down on the bottom.